These are the filling for the flat rice cake and the grilled rice cake, which is I have just shared recently with you. It's very simple way to do it, so the filling can be kept in the freezer for a long time, so you can use it whenever you need it. It's very yummy, isn't it? This is one of the filling we used to do it for the rice cake. Follow with the shrimp, we will have the meat also. Let's first to do with the shrimp, we will do with the fresh shrimp or the dried shrimp. Both of them will make add a fantastic taste to the rice cake. You cannot don't have it. So it's very simple to do. For the dry shrimp, you soak the shrimp for about 15 minutes. Let it soak a little bit. Then dry it, and then we can grind it with this little machine like this. Okay, few scoop at the time, and just grind it with a very short period of time. Like don't make it too long because we don't want the shrimp will be cut it too small. So we do very short round. Okay. Very fast to do it. So just continue to do few rounds like this, and then after you're done, you put in the pan. Remember, don't grind too long, don't grind too much, because we don't want the shrimp to be cut up too little. Okay? Yeah, just very fast each time. See, just short like that. And the way to do this so the shrimp won't be chopped too fine. That's what we want. See, like that. And after that, you put in the pan and put in the stove. Use the spoon, the flat spoon or spatula, and then just ride it up like that at the very low temperature. Okay, very low. And then just dry the shrimp and then press it down, flat it down at the same time. Just like that. If you like the color more, a little bit more red, more orange, so you can just add some, another oil. A little bit of pepper. Remember at low temperature, okay? And I think that's it. The shrimp is going to be dry very fast. For the fresh shrimp, after you steam, peel it off. Okay. Then add a little bit of another oil, cut small the shrimp, and then grind it at the same thing with the dry shrimp. In a short circuit, like short period of time, just like that. So the shrimp won't be cut up too small. There we go. And after that, we put in the pan. See, just like that. See, not too small, okay? And when you put in the pan and just put in the stove, and we do the same procedure. Add some with pepper. A little bit of salt. The dry shrimp, you don't need to, because the dry shrimp, when they make it, is a little bit salty already. So, with the fresh shrimp, we're going to do like that. Here we go. Dry shrimp and dry fat shrimp. Very yummy. Very yummy. So we done one of the filling. Okay. Now, we continue with the meat. We use 550 gram ground pork, 350 gram of shrimp. The amount you can adjust to whatever you want, okay? First of all, we're going to peel off the shrimp, devein it, and mix with the meat together. Then we're going to grind it. Add a little bit of white pepper. 1.5 teaspoon of fish sauce, teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it up well. You can adjust the amount of meat and shrimp, but trust me, you just do it one time and you can keep in the freeze. Okay? Now we add shallot. Chop up the shallot and mix it well. Okay, time to grind it. Same thing with the shrimp. You just grind it a few times. Take it out, and we complete for the whole bowl. The filling, after you're done, you can divide into the small bag and you keep in the freezer. Whenever you need it to have the rice cake or the flat rice cake, you can just bring it out to use it. So you don't have to do it anytime, you know. You don't have to do all the time. Just do one, keep in the freezer, and then reuse it. Now time to fry the meat and shrimp filling. Add a little bit of oil, cut shallot, fry it, and put all the meat in there. And we fried it. To make it easier, because the mix stick together, so add a little bit of water so it will be loosened up. Easy to do it. Use a flat spatula and just press it down. Fry it at the same time. There we go. After for a while, all the meat will loosen up. By pressing down like this, you will have the very loose meat together, not stick together. Add another oil to make more colorful. It's optional. If you don't want to, that's fine. Continue to fry it until you see the meat all cooked nicely, loosen up. Then you can final touch with the green chopped onion. Alright, there we go. Nice, pretty, and yummy. Okay, after you're done, if you feel the meat is not small enough, especially with the flat rice cake, you need more fine. So you can, grind a little bit more. Okay. If for the grilled rice cake, and it's okay, but for the flat one, you need to have the meat more finer a little bit. So you can grind a little bit more. That's all. It's no harm. Very quick. Okay. So from here, if you don't use it all today, you can just divide into the small bag and then put in the freezer to keep it. And then when you need it, you have it right away. There we go. Add a little bit more chopped green onion at the end. That's it. If I like, I can add a little bit of another oil more to make it more colorful. Again, it's optional. Okay, so we're done the meat and the shrimp filling. Very yummy. Cannot wait to try with the grilled rice cake. And with the few easy steps today I have shared with you, you're gonna make the filling for the grilled rice cakes very fast. So this is the dry one. This filling we use for the flat rice cake, which is I will share for the next. And then the grilled rice cake I recently shared with you, very yummy, but you need the filling to go with that. So here we are. So you can make that filling in no time. And remember, you can keep in the freezer, divide into the small bag, keep in the freezer whenever you need. You have it, the filling right away, so you don't have to make it all the time. Please don't forget to subscribe Lee Dynasty Kitchen to support and to get more Vietnamese yummy food I have shared and I will continue to share. For you who understand Vietnamese, please visit my channel. Okay, and thank you very much for watching the video today, and I hope to see you next time.